of this year's devolution conference.
Thutha wa thikũ inya cianyitĩte mĩgũcenjania meciria igũrũ rĩgiĩ ũtambũrũkia wa mahinya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, rĩu kĩgomano kĩrĩa kĩratabanĩirio kaunti-inĩ ya Homa Bay nĩkĩhingirwo.
Your Excellency, as you see,
akĩaria hĩndĩ ya kũhinga kĩgomano gĩkĩ, mũnini wa President KITHURE Kindiki augĩte atĩ kũgacĩra kwa ũtambũrũkia wa mahinya nĩ gũgũbatara ũhũthĩri wa mĩtambo he ũritũ mũnene.
Technology will also play an important part. And finally, to bridge the resource and financing gaps that we are experiencing in the public sector, in the two levels of government, the three arms of government, the partnerships between the public and private sector in terms of raising resources and financing the provision of services and projects is going to be critical.
Let us ensure that the promises of DEVCON 2025 are not confined to the communiques, but are translated into tangible change for our people.
Hamwe na ũguo, Kindiki augĩte atĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ marĩ na itemi rĩnene rĩa kũnyita amau nĩ magũteithĩrĩria kũrehe waragania ũtongoria-inĩ, kuona makoretwo makĩũria thirikari cikorwo cirĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki na waragania.
The place of young people, the youth of the nation and the youth of this continent will be critical in underwriting and defining our common future. So as we even center devolution on the people and on the citizen, the young person, the youth, for various advantages that they hold against other generations, they will play a very important part in defining our common future.
The promise of devolution can only be fully realized if both the national and county governments work in close partnership, grounded in mutual accountability and prudent financial management.
Ningĩ Kindiki nĩ agathĩrĩirie ikinya rĩa President William Ruto gwĩkĩra kĩrore watho ũrĩa ũgũteithĩrĩria gũtigĩrĩra atĩ motungata mothe ma kaunti nĩ marekererio nĩ thirikari nene, akiuga rĩrĩ nĩ ikinya rĩngĩ rĩgũteithĩrĩria kũgacĩrithia ũtambũrũkia wa mahinya.
The structures and the relationships among institutions are work in progress, and there are a lot of positive stories around devolution. The latest achievement has been the signing into law of a bill granting financial autonomy to our county assemblies so that they can provide effective, as opposed to vindictive, oversights over the executive at the county level.
We were able to transfer all the resources in terms of shareable revenue to the 47 counties before the end of financial year, including the arrears from the previous financial year.
No gũkorwo atĩ thirikari cia kaunti cikoretwo cigĩkuruhanio na ungumania wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ, Kindiki augĩte atĩ ũyũ nĩ ũndũ ũtabatiĩ nĩ kũhingĩrwo maitho, ũndũ ũmwe na ũteti mũingĩ kũhũthĩka harĩ ũramati wa thirikari cia matũũra.
The triple risks of corruption, sectarianism, especially ethnic sectarianism, and violent extremism, including politics and political issues being processed through violence, those three risks stand on the way to our prosperity as we look into the 21st century.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kĩmani WAGUO.